Okay, so I went to Japan this past March. It is currently September, and I have this giant pile of stuff that I bought there. I literally brought another suitcase just for like merch and stuff that I was planning on buying and doing a lot of shopping there. And it has been sitting in this pile, not being able to be used by me because I have wanted to do like a little haul video and just like never got around to it. So I'm doing one now so that I can finally put the stuff away once and for all, and it doesn't need to be like sitting around in my room in a pile. I have used a bunch of the stuff, so like there isn't everything that I bought in here because some of the things like have just been scattered around my apartment. Like a lot of the makeup that I bought and stuff like that is like currently in use. So it's not like definitive everything, but it is a lot of the stuff. And also because it's been so long, all the stuff kind of got mixed up, so there's no like particular order to this. Like, here's all the stuff I bought at Disney, here's all the stuff. No, it's just piles of stuff, okay? So I'm just gonna get into it. So here's the first bag. This is the first thing. This was from Tokyo Disney Sea. It is a Winnie the Pooh head. And it's so comfy. I need to wear this to Disneyland, like here, just for fun. Probably messed up my hair. Then it looks like there is some clothes. So this is thrifted. It's one of those bear skirts that used to be super trendy, but it was only, I think it was like $5 US, so like matches the bear hat. And then I love shirts that just like say like English words on them. So this one says, "Nice day, cute rabbit, keep a good mood every day," which I like. I also really like positive shirts, so since it was like positive, like have a good day, like good mood, like, so I love that. And this one says, "Standing, let's all stand up and clap," which is like also positive. I don't know, I just love positive shirts. This is so random, like everything in here is like in the most random order, because here, Pikachu hot cake maker, make some Pikachu pancakes. One thing I regret not buying was at like the Disney store in Shibuya, there was like a Winnie the Pooh like sandwich press. That would have been cool. I was debating whether I should buy or not, and I didn't, and I really regret that. But I do have the pancake maker, Pikachu pancake maker. Looks like we have a Leafeon. I don't know where that came from. Oh, it must have been in like a gacha machine. We have these cookie tins from Tokyo Disney. I think I meant to buy these as gifts, but I'm probably just gonna keep them for myself. It's such a fun bag. This is the bag, and then in it, I need to open all this stuff. So yeah, this is the bag. And it's a bread shirt or sweater. Bread! It'll match my carbs t-shirt I bought back here in the States. Another Disney tin. This one got kind of bent, but I think I can just open it and then push it like up from the other side. This one is tangled. Magikarp! I really have a Tokyo Disney bag, but it doesn't look like it's all Disney stuff in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is from Starbucks. This is a cherry blossom mirror set. Let's see this. What is this? It's like a travel mirror. It is. It's a mirror. That's cute. I like the little package it comes in, the little like, carrying case. This is all like a surprise to me because it's been so long. I'm like, I don't even remember what I bought. Okay, here's something from Tokyo Disney Sea. I did get a bear, like Duffy and Friends is like their thing over there. This isn't Duffy, this is like the girl bear, whose name I can't remember. I learned all about them there. I learned all their names, all the characters. I got really into it. But this one's a puppet. I have really long nails, so it's kind of hard, but it's a puppet. Snorlax scrunchie. Pikachu card case. I think this is like just a coaster from the restaurant or something, but it's Smoliv. I love Smoliv. Oh, this one we got, this is a gacha machine one. No, it's not open, but it's basically like a replica of one of the plates from like the cafe at the Pokemon Center that we went to. So we went to the Pokemon Cafe with like the dancing Pikachu and stuff, which is so fun. There's like an arts and crafts like felt kit, felt kit of Pikachu. Oh yeah, they didn't have like a lot of clothes at, like a lot of apparel at Tokyo Disney. This is one thing I found. It's like one of the only like t-shirts I found that I liked. Pretty cool. I really like the kind of like vintagey vibe shirts, so I could totally wear this to Disneyland as like a flex. That's all that was in this bag. But we're still not done with this bag, and this is one of 3 bags. We got another Tokyo bag. Little keychain of like the popcorn. And I think it unzips. Yeah. Unzips. They had the best popcorn there. Oh, this is a mystery box of the mailboxes. The Tokyo like Disney mailboxes. I don't know if you like in Disneyland you've noticed that they have like mailboxes. And this is a water bottle with cherry blossoms, and it says Tokyo Disney Sea and Tokyo Disneyland. Last bag inside of this giant bag. This giant bag was also something I bought at Tokyo Disney Sea. This one is obviously from a Pokemon Center. We went to a couple different Pokemon Centers. Ooh, okay, so some Pokemon makeup brushes. This is a little kit to make candy Pokemon, I think. You can make like little candy Pokemon balls. Oh, this is a Pikachu plushie. This is what he was wearing when we went to the Pokemon Cafe and he did his little dance, so I wanted to get him in his little outfit that he was wearing. Here's a Magikarp sticker. It was the only Magikarp that I could find in the entire Pokemon Center. This Magikarp that I showed you earlier came from Donkey, so it wasn't actually from the Pokemon Center. This was the only Magikarp in all of the Pokemon Centers that we checked. I don't know what this is. I mean, it looks like a Piplup, but is it like an eraser? Must be, I don't know, it might just be a little figure. And then an Animal Crossing pen. So that's everything in the first bag. Here is the second bag, and I think most of this, or maybe all of it, is from the Nintendo store in Shibuya. So there's this. I can't remember what this is. I think you make little charms or something. It's like a craft. Make like little Animal Crossing charms. And then this is a kit for the charms. You have to buy both parts, I think, or maybe it's like an expansion pack. I don't know. But I think this goes with the little charms. I think this is mostly all Animal Crossing stuff, by the way. Animal Crossing something. It's a pillowcase maybe, or a bag. I don't know. It's cute. We've got like a little serving dish, like a little plate. It's also Animal Crossing. Of course, it's all Animal Crossing. There's a t-shirt, I think. I think this is actually a kid's t-shirt, so hopefully it fits. Some sizes are pretty small there, but it's cute. I think this is a notepad, maybe? And lastly, got 2 more Animal Crossing plates. So yeah, that's everything from the Nintendo store. Oh, I forgot to show you this. This is from Tokyo Disney Sea. This has just been with my popcorn buckets and my Disney merch, so it wasn't like mixing with the other stuff. It does light up, but I have to go find the light up part because when I washed it, I took it off. And yeah, this is a Tangled Lantern popcorn bucket. And then here's another popcorn bucket. This one is from Universal. They do actually sell these here at Universal Hollywood, but I wanted the popcorn anyway because it smelled so good. So I just bought it when I was getting popcorn because it was right there. And it does light up, I believe, somehow. Or it does something. I don't know. To figure it out. It does something. Also, Pikachu cup. Pikachu ears. These were from Universal. Are they so cute? We got little Pikachu on them. Okay, this is from the Disney store in Shibuya. Winnie the Pooh, and there's like honey candy in here. Actually, you know what? This isn't from the Disney store. This is from Tokyo Disney Sea. It's all the stuff from the Disney stores in this bag. Got like a Little Mermaid perfume bottle. It's empty. You can put like whatever perfume you want in there, or whatever you want. I guess it doesn't have to be perfume. This is a cup noodles, but I think it's a mystery box. I think there's like, if I'm remembering correctly, there's an eraser inside, but or like maybe like a minifigure, but it's like a Disney cup noodles. Something inside, some, I don't know, some mystery. Oh, and this is a Rapunzel makeup eyeshadow quad, I guess. That'll be fun to try out. A lot of candy in here. I should definitely not be storing candy in here and maybe like actually eat it. These are like, I think these are peach flavored Kit Kats and orange and like grape gummy candy. And then I don't know what these are, some kind of like liquid jelly candy. Here's an Elsa gotcha that's in 3 pieces. Maybe I should make that. And this is a little deer from Nara. I think it's the only thing I got there. We did feed the deer. And then I got this in a little gotcha machine because I wanted a little souvenir. Oh, and last but not least, here's the bottom to the Rapunzel popcorn bucket. So now it can light up. I forgot I have a whole other bag actually, that's my last place. Last but not least for that bin. Here's the last bag. This is from the Studio Ghibli Museum. Well, the bag is, not everything in here is. This, what is this? From Starbucks. Oh, it's a mini water bottle from Starbucks. And here we have a little cherry blossom mug, but I think I was planning on using it as a vase and it's got like the Starbucks logo. I actually think I bought these in Korea in like the airport, but they were what I was looking for from Starbucks in Japan. I just happened to find them in Korea, I think. But I really wanted like the Starbucks cherry blossom stuff. I'm from the Ghibli Museum. Got these like stamps, like rubber stamps. And in this bag, I think like, I can't speak. I think I got like enamel pins. Oh, these cling to your windows. A little Soot Sprite keychain. Why did I buy so many keychains? I don't have that many keys. Oh, a little calcifer fridge magnet. So many little things in here. Yeah, so just like a bunch of little enamel pins, lots of Totoro, Howl, more Totoro, and cat bus. So yeah, that's everything. My living room is even more of a gigantic mess than it was a minute ago. And now I get to finally put everything away and actually enjoy everything that I bought instead of it just sitting in a pile waiting to be unboxed. I never edited a lot of like my Japan content, so maybe I'll go back and like edit a bunch of it if you guys want to see. And hopefully I'll be able to go to Japan again someday soon because it was just the most amazing trip ever and I dream about going back now. Like it was so good. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.